Hello, my name is Annissa Roberts, and I work at the Lithonia-Davidson Library, and I do adult programming. Today, I'm going to share with you a very quick and easy dessert, which is strawberry shortcake. I love strawberry shortcake because it's a good summer fun dessert. So what I like to do is slice my strawberries, and then in order to develop a syrup, I put sugar. I coat all the strawberries in sugar, and then I let them stay overnight. I also like to add a little Marzetti glaze, and you can get this right at your friendly Walmart. And the glaze is just kind of thickens it up a little bit, and I don't use very much. So just mix that in. I'm gonna show you just how quick this is. The longest part about this video is slicing up the strawberries. So you see how the glaze helped with the strawberries, and then I got the syrup. I'm sorry, not the syrup. Well, I do have the syrup, but the syrup was made with the sugar. Okay, so I'm moving right along. Again, to show you how quick this is, I'm going to bring my plate, or should I just say saucer. And I have here pound cake, and I'm just going to layer pound cake and strawberries, and then whipped cream. Now, depending on how much glaze you like, you can add more. I like the ready whipped cream, but you can choose your own flavor. So you just squirt it here. Show you how quick this is. For real, for real. Then you layer it again with more strawberries. And then I like mine to kind of fall over, so that everything can just kind of soak all in. Then we're gonna squirt some more whipped cream, and then top it off with a couple of strawberries. Now, that's my quick and easy version of strawberry shortcake. I hope you guys have a lovely summer. Thank you for enjoying my cooking demonstration. And the website will actually air tomorrow. Thank you.